Ever get frustrated when your AI assistant misunderstands a simple question? That's a common challenge in AI communication. Today on Summarized Science, we're exploring how researchers are tackling this issue to make AI more intuitive and helpful. The focus is on how AI assistants can better manage uncertainty when faced with ambiguous or underspecified queries. The core problem is that AI needs a policy to decide when to guess the user's intent, list possible answers, or ask a clarifying question. But these policies need to adapt to the context. Enumerating possibilities is fine on a large screen, but cumbersome on a smartwatch. The novel solution involves training steerable policies. Imagine an AI that changes its approach depending on how costly it is to ask questions or generate long answers. If asking questions is cheap, the AI clarifies frequently. If long answers are cheap, it lists multiple options. To train this adaptivity, the researchers use self-play. One AI acts as the user, posing potentially ambiguous questions. The other AI plays the assistant, deciding how to respond based on predefined cost parameters. It's all about maximizing accuracy while minimizing the cost of each interaction. The AI learns to balance accuracy with efficiency. Figure 1 illustrates the AI assistant changing its behavior based on the cost coefficients. For instance, with a low cost for clarification, the assistant asks follow-up questions to resolve ambiguity. When the cost of generating a long response is low, the assistant enumerates multiple interpretations to the user. If both costs are high, the AI makes an educated guess, providing a short answer even if it's risky. This approach is about training the assistant for steerability, the ability to adjust its dialogue strategy on the fly. These cost coefficients are a type of reward given to the agent to encourage it to behave a certain way. In real-world applications, these costs could be derived from user preferences or feedback. So, how does this work in practice? The researchers use a training strategy called reinforced self-training (REST). Two AI models interact, sampling conversations with different cost coefficients. The assistant then fine-tunes based on conversations that worked well. The team tested this steerable grounding policy on question-answering benchmarks. They found that simply prompting existing AI models wasn't enough. Specific training to the provided cost coefficients made a huge difference. AI models trained with SGP appropriately adjusted their behavior, achieving higher accuracy while lowering interaction costs, even with cost values it hadn't seen before. In essence, the research demonstrates that AI assistants can be trained to become much more adaptive in their dialogue strategy. They can learn to consider the cost of different actions and adjust their behavior accordingly. This shows how to make AI more efficient and user-friendly, paving the way for more natural and helpful interactions. The long-term implications are exciting. AI that truly understands our needs and preferences, adapting to provide information in the most efficient way possible. No more frustrating misunderstandings or endless back and forth. That's all for today's summary. Stay tuned to Summarize Science for more insights into the world of AI.